Good day everyone. So today we will tackle about decks. So what are decks? Decks are one of the many standard template library or STL containers available in C++. Their name suggests a good deal about their intended usage and what is possible with them. So they are containers, meaning that they are designed to hold multiple data elements. They are templates, meaning that that the constructors and methods have all been templatized, allowing for the use of any of the standard C++ data types as well as user-defined classes with the proper constructors defined. Okay, so we will tackle about specifically deck push front. So in using decks, we should use the library or include the library deck. So as you can see on the screen, number sign include deck. So deck push front, which we will tackle today, inserts element at beginning of the containers of data. Okay, so let's have our sample program. So here, so as you can see, that library deck has been included. So take a look at here. This is where the deck push front has been placed. So it means that for using this loop, it will count from 1 up to 6. So if it reaches 6, it will stop. So using this for loop, it will display or print all elements followed by a space. So with that, the output should be like this: 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Because the last element that is being pushed front is number 6. So let's try. So it is right. So another sample program is this. So as you can see, here is the library deck and the push front. So here it is stated that 2 integers with a value of 100. So next, followed by the push front 200 and the push front 300. So it means that 100 is the first one or the first data that has been input, then 100 100. Next is the 200. It has push front, so the data would go here. Let me put some comment. Then next is the 300 and it has a push front on it. So it means it will go here. So using this for loop again, it will display this. Let's try. So that's right. Here. Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you.